Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your VW Tiguan fog light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a T25 Torx driver and a new H8 or 9006 bulb, depending on your model year. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down before you begin any work. You'll be working near electrical components, so safety is key. Locate the fog light assembly, which is typically found behind the bumper cover. To access the fog light, turn your steering wheel fully to the side where you're working. This gives you more room in the wheel well. Next, use your T25 Torx driver to remove the screws holding the wheel well liner in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws. Once those are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal the fog light assembly. This step provides the necessary space to reach the bulb. Now for the actual bulb replacement. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by squeezing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the bulb housing counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to unlock it and pull it out. Carefully insert your new H8 or 9006 bulb, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical plug, ensuring it clicks into place. Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully reposition the wheel well liner and secure it with all the T25 Torx screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. Once reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. This ensures your visibility and safety on the road. For more great tips and to truly change how you think about money, check out the book linked in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.